Welcome to the channel, guys. VST here, VNSP Tech. Welcome to the February Samsung stock applications update. Alright, and what's so funny about this video, I'm going to let you know very quickly. Let's count how many new updates I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are 9, right? So from 9 updates, there is only one proper changelog. Alright, maybe 2. But I think we're used to this. A lot of people call these updates and these applications bloat and bloatware, but I just called it a new video. And yeah, besides the joke, I also do use some of them. So the first update is for the Samsung calendar, okay, which by the way has a fairly low rating. I'm not sure why, it's not so bad. What's new here? So Samsung reviewed all the terms that are used when you are creating a new event, and they changed them so that it's a bit more easy for us. So instead of add alert, it's now alert. Instead of attach file, it's attachment. Instead of calendar default visibility, and instead of available, is just free, which is not that bad at all. And the version is 12.302.4000 from the 4th of February, 42 megabytes. The next update is on the nearby device scanning. Okay, so what's new? Again, a proper changelog. Change the wearable name policy to use the BT alias name preference BT into single cross Samsung account device to get remote device name. Move Gear Manager launch after bond complete, and also some improvements on the user interface. The version is 11.145 from the 10th of February. It's only 6 megabytes. Okay. Next thing is important, guys, called the Find My Mobile, and I do encourage you to use this. Right now you don't care about it, but when you wake up and your phone is not somewhere close to you, you might get into the panic mode, and this can help you. No proper changelog though here. What we know is that the version is 7.2.2.12 from the 7th of February. It's 9 megabytes. Then we proceed to the game launcher, which is probably one of the most hated stock Samsung applications because of many things. 15 megabytes. What's new? My favorite changelog forever, bug fixed. The version is 6.0.051 from the 26th of February, and it's only 23 megabytes, which leads us to the Samsung Cloud. Okay, Samsung Cloud, yeah, it's just excellent as per this user here. Also, 24 megabytes version is from the 10th of February, which is very recent. Also, version is 5.1.0.0.8. No changelog. Then we go to the Samsung Flow for Galaxy. We have a proper changelog here. That's a function that connects you to a tablet with a PC has been added. Your PC and device can be registered and used on your tablet after changing the tablet settings. Okay, when you scroll down a bit, you can just see the version is from the 28th of January, 4.8.0.6.5. It is 12 megabytes. Next thing we have here is Samsung Galaxy Friends. It is almost 8 megabytes, version 2.1.69 from the 8th of February, only 13 megabytes. Then guys, we have something called the video call effects. I'm not sure how many of you are using this. In general, they do have some nice effects, and as per this user here, again, it's just excellent. The version is from the 9th of February, version 2.1.0.0.3, only 7 megabytes. And then last but not least, guys, we have the Samsung Blockchain Key Store. Updating Samsung One UI 4 and improving the welcome page. Who would have thought? I mean, this is really very thoughtful. Thank you, Samsung. Version 1.3.0.8.1 from the 26th of January, only 20 megabytes. So guys, I'm going to press update all, and for probably one of the first time in my videos, I'm not going to retest anything of this, but I just wanted to do this video to show you, right? If you want to maintain your phone up to speed with all the recent bug fixes and etc., just go to the Samsung store. Just check my updates. How can you do this? Once you open the Galaxy Store, guys, you can go to the apps, all right, or you can go to menu and then hit update. You're gonna find in there update all. Just try to maintain your phone in the best state you can. If you have liked this video, yeah, you might also consider subscribing for my channel because it's still free and probably gonna be free for all the time. And yeah, that was a lame attempt for a joke. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, this is over and bye.